Can I link my Minecraft account to a different PlayStation account after unlinking it?
Hello Minecraft and PlayStation fans. Are you looking to change up your gaming setup and link your Minecraft account to a different PlayStation account? If yes, then this video will provide the information you need. We'll explore if and how you can unlink your Minecraft account from your current PlayStation account and relink it to a different one. Remember, the process might seem a bit complex, but we will break it down for you to make it as straightforward as possible.
Can you unlink a Minecraft account from a PlayStation account?
The answer is yes. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, you can unlink your Minecraft account from your PlayStation account. This is made possible through the Sony's account management system. It's important to note that unlinking your account might cause you to lose access to certain game features and any saved data that hasn't been synced with the cloud.
How to unlink your Minecraft account?
To unlink your Minecraft account from your PlayStation account, follow these steps. 1. Sign into your PlayStation account. 2. Go to the account management section. 3. Navigate to link with other services. 4. Select Minecraft. 5. Click on Unlink. After following these steps, your Minecraft account should be disconnected from your PlayStation account.
Can you link your Minecraft account to a different PlayStation account?
After you've successfully unlinked your Minecraft account from your old PlayStation account, the question arises, can you link it to a new one? The answer is yes, you can link your Minecraft account to a different PlayStation account. The process is quite similar to the way you originally linked your account.
How to link your Minecraft account to a new PlayStation account?
The process to link your Minecraft account to a new PlayStation account is as follows. 1. Sign into your new PlayStation account. 2. Navigate to the account management section. 3. Proceed to link with other services. 4. Find and select Minecraft. 5. Click on Link. After these steps, your Minecraft account should be successfully linked to your new PlayStation account. In conclusion, while there might be a few steps involved, changing the PlayStation account associated with your Minecraft account is very much possible. Remember, it's important to think through this decision carefully, as you may lose access to some game features or data during the process. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this guide makes your gaming experience even more enjoyable. Happy mining and crafting!